going to Ambition Main Orchestra. Ambition Taguig started in the year of 2015, October, at Beacon International School. We could support the Ambition Taguig by sponsoring the plays and giving snacks to kids every rehearsal. Ambition Taguig is growing fast and already made 2 recitals in the Beacon. And now this is the first time that we are going to join the satellite showdown Ambition.
Let's give them a round of applause. This is their first satellite showdown. Led by Concertmaster Fernando Piljon Sr. And how old are you? 11 years old. He's the concertmaster of this orchestra. Let's give him a round of applause.